Hi, my name is Joseph Mungi. I'm the founder, Online Advisors Insurance Agency Limited. Today we're going to take you through a brief introduction to medical insurance. So we are terming this course as medical insurance for beginners. First of all, the important thing to learn is what's medical insurance and what it's all about. Medical insurance is a private type of insurance whereby it caters for your medical expenses when and whereby you are to incur this particular cost. So there are different levels of this type of medical insurance, and it's categorized whereby you have to work with your card, which is a smart card, which you present to the accredited hospitals, and from the accredited hospitals you'll be able to get the medical services which are as per your policy, medical policy. Another key question is usually, since I have the National Hospital Insurance Fund, NHIF cover, do I really need the medical insurance? Or alternatively, if I have the private medical insurance, do I really need the NHIF cover? So they go hand in hand. It's important for you to have an NHIF cover, even if you are to get the medical insurance cover, because the medical insurance covers caters for expenses over and above what NHIF will cover. So if NHIF covers up to a certain limit, the private medical insurance takes over from that. So this is mainly keen on the admission side. When you want to be admitted in a private hospital, you'll realize that NHIF covers a limited amount of the cost. So if you were to have an additional insurance cover, that's when you get the medical insurance cover, which pays for the extra amounts. And in the event that you don't have NHIF, you'll realize that you'll have to come back to your pocket and pay the rebate, which NHIF would have paid as an expense of your maybe admission in hospital. So it's good if you're to get the medical insurance cover, also continue with your NHIF cover. And then the other thing is the different segments of medical insurance. So it's mainly categorized in about 5 or 6. Some companies add additional benefits to this, but the core medical insurance cover is called Inpatient medical insurance cover, which is standard across board, and you have to purchase this inpatient cover for you to be able to get the extra benefits from the medical insurance cover. And the inpatient medical insurance cover caters for medical expenses when you are admitted in the particular hospital. So it caters for the medication for this particular period of time and the admission fees and such costs. If you are to get extra medical insurance covers, now you have to buy them over and above purchasing the inpatient cover. So the next is outpatient. So outpatient is mainly for the consultancy and getting maybe the medicines over the counter. So you'll have to pay an extra amount for you to get this outpatient medical insurance cover. And then there are also other special benefits which you can then purchase only after purchasing the additional outpatient medical insurance cover. And this include things such as optical cover and dental cover. So this caters for your eyes, maybe eye surgery, eye operations, also spectacles up to a certain limit, and also dental up to a certain limit caters for the teeth related or otherwise dental conditions, teeth replacements, crowns, braces, and such. And then from there you can get an additional cover such as maternity. So for you to get the maternity, you also need to have both the inpatient or outpatient, and then add the maternity cover. So this caters for the maternity related costs of giving birth throughout the journey, and also after giving birth, any challenges arising from the giving birth process. For this maternity cover, it's also good to note the waiting period. It's usually a standard of 12 months. So you can't purchase it right now and expect to utilize it within 12 months. So you have to be an existing client, in short, for you to be able to enjoy this maternity cover. And then another thing which is usually added, you can get such things such as a personal accident insurance, which is over and above medical insurance. So this is caters for expenses related to permanent disability, death, or your injury. So in this period when you're in hospital, you can be able to get cash to run your daily activities. And also, if you're discontinued from working, you'll be compensated a particular amount, which will be able to cushion you against the risks of not continuing with your work. You can also get a funeral cover. The funeral cover, it's usually referred to as a last expense. So this is in the event, unfortunate event that you die from your illness. There'll be an amount which will be issued out, and this will help your family members or the community to facilitate your funeral process in this cover. For medical insurance, as Online Advisors Insurance Agency, we mainly partner with Jubilee Medical Insurance Cover, and one of the key benefits of having Jubilee on board is that they recently introduced a COVID-19 cover, which is highly cushioning people against medical costs related to the COVID-19 pandemic. And also another key benefit is their key partnership with the Aga Khan Hospital, whereby the insured will not have to pay the normal co-pay amount, which is usually common in the other insurance companies, and will also be able to get a dedicated person to sort out your case while you are at the hospital. For more details on medical insurance cover, just click on the link below. And for people in need of this particular cover, just download the form here below and fill it out and send it to our email address, or call us for any assistance or any advice while filling out this form. And all payments will be made directly to Jubilee Insurance Cover, and your forms and your documentations will be forwarded to Jubilee Insurance Cover after a professional advisor verifies your information and helps you fill out the correct details and the data in accordance with the guidelines and the terms of this particular insurance cover. For more details, always feel free to contact us through our email info@onsure.co.ke, or call us at 0792 565 528.